Good morning, esteemed teachers and my dear friends. I am Darshita of 6th class. Today, 21st February, is an observance of International Mother Language Day, also called Mother Tongue Day. This International Mother Language Day is a worldwide annual observance held on 21st February to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity. It is adopted by UNESCO since 2002. India recognizes 22 official languages and 11 classical languages, include Tamil, Sanskrit, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Odia, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese and Bengali. According to language census, India has 121 mother tongues, and with over 7,369 mother tongues in the world. Mandarin Chinese is the world's most spoken mother tongue with 1.1 billion native speakers. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.